According to a Weibo tweet last week from the same source that correctly leaked that iPhone 14 models will come in yellow, the basic iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus would have frosted back glass like current Pro models. The iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus would appear more like the Pro models with frosted glass. However, only the iPhone 15 Pro models are speculated to have a new titanium frame and significantly narrower bezels surrounding the display, while the ordinary models are anticipated to keep their aluminum frames and bezel sizes. For the first time since the iPhone 4S, the back glass panel of the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus is officially detachable, making interior repairs simpler. It's doubtful that switching to frosted glass would have any effect on this design element. Features and aesthetic aspects that were formerly limited to Pro models have gradually made their way down to lower-end iPhone models over the years. OLED panels, for example, were previously exclusively available on Pro models, but are now accessible on the whole iPhone 12 range. The dynamic island is scheduled to be introduced across the whole iPhone 15 series this year. This is the first time we've heard anything about a green iPhone 15 model. Previous iPhone 15 color speculations indicated that Apple was contemplating bright blue and pink hues for its basic models. Meanwhile, the iPhone 15 Pro models may have a dark red variant. Apple has recently offered 5 colors for the basic iPhone and 4 for the Pro models. Midnight and Starlight, which are black and white to you commoners, are likely to return with the iPhone 15, as well as the red variation. That leaves 2 possible color slots and 3 speculated colors: light blue, pink, and now cyan green. While the source of this rumor properly leaked that the iPhone 14 will come in yellow a few months ahead of schedule, they do not have a long-term proven track record, so there is no certainty that their most recent information will prove to be right. Nonetheless, the source's prior accuracy makes this rumor worth spreading. While the source of this rumor properly leaked a few months in advance that the iPhone 14 will come in yellow, they do not have a long-term proven track record. As a result, there is no assurance that their most recent information is accurate. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.